Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on a browser. Since Genshin Impact is not a native browser game, you will need to use a cloud gaming service. These platforms stream the game to your browser, letting you play without a local installation. This method requires a strong and consistent internet connection to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. We will explore the steps to get you started. To begin, you will need to choose a reliable cloud gaming platform. NVIDIA GeForce Now is a widely recognized service that supports a vast library of titles, including Genshin Impact. Other platforms, such as Boosteroid or Amazon Luna, might also offer the game. It is important to research each service, considering their game library, subscription tiers, and server locations to find the best fit for your needs. Once you have selected a service, create an account and subscribe to a plan that suits you. After logging in, navigate to the game library and launch Genshin Impact directly through the platform's browser interface. For the best gameplay experience, we highly recommend using a dedicated game controller. However, a keyboard and mouse setup can also work effectively, depending on your preference and the service's support. To ensure the best possible experience, optimize your setup. Aim for an internet connection speed of at least 25 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Before playing, close any unnecessary browser tabs and background applications that might consume bandwidth or processing power. Playing on a device with a modern processor and at least 8 gigabytes of RAM will also significantly enhance your cloud gaming performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.